actually an organization of doctors involved in peace work in Mindanao. We, the members of the RSO for Peace, condemn in strongest terms the killing of our colleague, Dr. Rogelio Bong Peñera. We have not known this individual to have enemies. His neighbors, co-workers have known him to be humble, quiet, and peace-loving. Because he was peace-loving, other people speculate that this could be a case of mistaken identity. But is this how he should go? A life wasted due to mistaken identity? We grieve over the unacceptable loss of another responsible individual who could have contributed so much to the Davaoenos. Bong was an epidemiologist of the Department of Health, Region 11, and he was in charge of monitoring AH1N1 cases. We believe in the person's integrity. He was former chair of Alliance of Health Workers in the 1990s. He had a personal stand on various social issues, and he was level-headed individual. And in fact, he was not known to be confrontational as a person. So we appeal to the citizens of Davao not to engage or support killings like this, to denounce all this kind of violence. To those who have anything against us doctors, please do not use violent means. We assure you, we cannot confront you with violence. To the killers, remember, you also have your own families. These are one of the tragedies that you do not want to happen to you. We urge all citizens of Davao to condemn killings like this. Let your voices be heard. Do not dismiss killings like this. If you know members of the family, neighbors who are engaged in killings, please convince them. We as a people do not deserve a society reigned by terror. We know that the situation we are in creates unpeace, but contributing to this violence will not solve the issue. We will never develop as a nation if there is no peace. Let us create a decent society. We are not a country of losers, killing responsible individuals just like that. If the killing of Dr. Peñera is a warning to us doctor activists, we get the message, but allow us to remind you also that you only kill the individuals. The quest for lasting peace goes on. It does not end with the killings, and you will not triumph.